Hello there everyone, and welcome to Unit 14. Holy cow, the semester is almost over. It's hard to believe. I hope that you enjoyed the different turn our class took the past couple of weeks with the visual thinking activities. I am seriously amazed with your work, and I've had such a great time engaging in your contributions and your reflections. I'm going to keep checking it out. I still have more to do. All I can say is bravo and thank you. As a teacher, I love having the opportunity to learn from my students, and I've added my own comment to the reflection slide, which I hope you'll listen to. It was really awesome. You all just worked together so well in a community, and you created and organized content and learned from one another, and I couldn't ask for more than that, so thank you. This week we move on to a new topic as we engage in a critical and reflective discussion about the effects of representations on viewers. This is really the culmination of the semester. It's our last new topic, our content topic. This unit is designed to keep you learning from one another like we've been doing in these past few units. It's also designed to pull you in and encourage you to share and reflect on your own real-world experiences as viewers of photographs, which all of you are. Included in this unit is a presentation that I've created about the recent or fairly recent, depending on how old you are, the recent shift from film-based or analog photography to digital photography. I know some of you weren't even alive during that time period, so it'll be a bit historical for a lot of you. I want you to start thinking critically about how digital images affect you on a daily basis and what it means to your identity. So let me toss that up a little bit more for you. When you look at an image, you don't know if it's digital or if it's analog. And does it matter? How is it different? Those are some of the questions that I want you to start thinking about in this unit. And our voice thread is actually a little bit more presentation oriented this week. So it's a little bit even more of a different use of voice thread. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. When you engage in a reflective activity, do not search for the right answer because there isn't a right answer. Rather, you'll be graded on your efforts to think deeply about topics and tie in real-world examples to the questions that I pose. And so that's what this week's blog post is really about. It's about you reflecting and searching for ways to make connections to the prompts for this week's blog post. Again, I'm requiring your VoiceThread comments to be left as voice or webcam comments this week. And I talk a little bit more about why I'm focusing on the voice and video comments in the voice thread. So if you're interested in understanding where I'm coming from on that, you can pay attention to that slide and I'll give you my context there. As we near the end of the semester, I'm pushing all of you to develop a high-level critical analysis skills. And I want to encourage you to leave unscripted voice or webcam comments. So try not to write down what you're going to say and read them. Try to be unscripted and reflective. Don't get so worried about sounding like a pro. We all know each other here. We've been working together now for 14 weeks. Loosen up a bit and share your thoughts with us. Remember, if you really dislike your comment, you can always delete it and re-record it. No problem. You're always in control. And as I shared last week, or as I've been sharing all along, you all know this, I have free phone commenting minutes. So if you're one of the students who needed those early in the semester, and if you ran out, just let me know and I'll reset those for you. It's not a problem. You're also going to find a reminder that your photographer showcase is due on Monday, May 14th. The instructions for the final step of that project, which is creating the voice thread, those instructions are included in this unit, and they're also available in the photographer showcase area. You should all know that by now. You will have all of next week to work on that project. It's a week set aside for that. It will be due at the end of the next unit on Monday, May 14th. Then the unit after that will be spent analyzing 2 projects by your peers, and you'll also be completing some course evaluations that are very important to me and will play a role in some research that I'm doing as part of my doctoral program in educational leadership and management. You didn't know it, but you're playing a role in helping me change the world. Finally, as I shared in our syllabus, I will be distributing 10 extra credit points to students who are the lucky recipients of the Masterpiece Blog Award. This week you'll be invited to nominate 2 students for this oh so prestigious award. So take some time before you vote to check out those blogs in Ning. Check them out and identify 2 people who have demonstrated a commitment to high quality blogging. You may want to think about who you've learned the most from this semester in the blogs. That's it, folks. Have a great week, everybody.